Vite.js. Vite is a build tool that significantly improves the front-end development experience. You can use Vite to set up a development environment for frameworks like Vue and React, and even for a vanilla JavaScript app with a dev server and hot reloading in just 3 commands. Vite is running Koa, a lightweight dev server which is serving nodejs modules and using sbuild for dependency pre-bundling. Performance. Each dependency can have a large number of its own modules which will cause the browser to fire a crazy amount of requests to the backend, so Vite is converting those dependencies into. If you're new here, like and subscribe. To create Vite app, run npm or yarn create Vite. Then enter project name and select framework. This is Vite's React boilerplate. Now run yarn or npm I to install all dependencies. Let's compare Vite to create React app and see how fast is it. Now, let's take Vite for a spin and see how we go. It will be interesting to see how much of our normal workflow would be better handled with Vite. I've tested existing project too, and
2,000 years later.
Vite is really fast, because it leverages nodejs modules and doesn't need to rebuild the whole bundle when something changes. Vite is pretty cool. It's a fine addition to the recent trend of tools that simplifies tooling like Parcel and Snowpack. That's why you should give it a try. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.